In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily force restart Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and normally to restart your Samsung Galaxy S23, you need to long press at the same time volume down button and the power button for a couple of seconds, just like that, until that screen comes up, and then we can tap at power off, and also we can tap at restart, depending on what we are going to do, turn off our device or restart. However, if for some reason you cannot restart your device in that way, maybe your screen doesn't respond to your commands, you can still force restart your device in that way. In the same way, however, you need to hold down these buttons until screen turns off, and then keep holding it until Samsung logo comes up, just like so. I'm gonna press these buttons, and then we just need to keep holding it down all the way. It can take 5, 7, maybe 10 seconds or more until Samsung logo comes up. The phone vibrates in that moment, and once you feel the vibration and you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you can release these buttons and then just wait for the device to load. That's how we can easily force restart Samsung Galaxy S23, and after it is loaded, we can use our device as before. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.